Mga kapulutan, Happy New Year! Today is my first episode this year 2020. New Year, new recipe. This is my family recipe from generation to generation. This recipe is good if you have hangover. So, partygoers, this is for you. So, we are going to make a bulalo today. Beef soup or caldo de res. So, let's start with my ingredients. Fresh sweet corn on the cob, 2 pounds beef tendon, 3 pounds beef feet, and 1/4 cup of fish sauce or patis. So, ang first step po natin ngayon ay bibigyan natin ng hot bath itong ating beef feet at saka beef tendon. Behind me is a boiling water. So, papakuloan natin siya. And then after that, itatapon natin yung liquid to remove the impurities. Okay, so we have boiling water now. Ilalagay na natin itong ating mga beef feet and tendon. And then after that, itatapon natin yung liquid. We will remove the liquid just to remove the impurities. Okay. After na mabigyan natin siya ng hot bath, and then we will throw the liquid. Alright. So, habang inaantay natin, while waiting for the beef feet and beef tendon to give a hot bath, ire-ready na natin itong fresh sweet corn on the cob. So, i-slicein lang natin siya. And then, kukunin lang natin yung meat ng corn. So, pagkatapos kumulo, itatapon na natin ang liquid para mawala na yung impurities. So, huhugasan natin one by one para mawala yung lansa, impurities. Okay, so once na matanggal na natin ang impurities, nalinis na ang beef feet, ilalagay na natin siya sa pressure cooker. Alright. So make sure the water is above your ingredients. So for better result. So kung kulang ang water, if you need more water, you need to add the water. The water has no measurement as long as the water is above your meat. Okay, so ngayon isasama na rin natin ang ating sweet corn together with the meat. So sabay-sabay na natin siya ipe-pressure. Kung wala kayong pressure cooker, ang gagawin nyo lang is to boil your meat until tender. So it takes like 3 to 4 hours because beef is very chewy. So kailangan nyo magantay until maging tender. This beef tendon needs to cut 1 inch or 1.5 inches before you put it in a pressure cooker para mas madaling lumambot. But yung liquid niya hindi ko na isinasama because the beef feet has a nice flavor already. Because this one, ito ay just liquid, no taste, no nothing, just the tendon. Okay, so let's cut the tendon. We whistle na po siya, so we will start counting. So 20 minutes for the beef. So now nagka-count na siya, binigyan na natin siya ng timer for 20 minutes after nag-whistle. So now ito namang beef tendon, ilalagay na natin siya sa Instapot. Okay, so magkahiwalay po ang ating pressure cooker kasi because the beef feet takes shorter than the beef tendon. So the beef feet is only 20 minutes, but the beef tendon is 30 minutes. So put it on 30 minutes. So, my advice is do not touch your pressure cooker while there's a pressure. So, matapos yung 20 minutes and matapos yung 30 minutes, release the pressure or put it under the cold water for safe. Delicado, it's very dangerous if you open too soon. Okay? So, we will release the pressure through cold water. Once na makikita nyo na bumaba na itong screw na to, that means wala na siyang pressure. So, pwede na natin buksan ang ating pressure cooker. There you go. Okay, now, release the cover and then now we can open. There you go. No more pressure. There you go. Wow. So, itong ating beef tendon is still counting to 20 more minutes, and then after that we will mix that to our beef feet and then we will transfer to a bigger pot. Okay, so nandito na ang ating beef feet in a bigger bowl, in a bigger pot. So ilalagay na lang natin ang tendon together with the beef feet. Wow, look at the tendon. That's the tendon. Okay, so ang final, ang ating seasoning, ang fish sauce, 1/4 cup patis or fish sauce. So, lagyan na po natin. And then, let's bring it to a boil in 2 minutes and we're done. Right. Okay, so mga kapulutan, ito na po ang ating finished product. Tikman na po natin. Wow, super lambot. Eksakto. So, itong Emperador or Brandy Light, ito po ang magandang katambal ng ating soup. Cheers! Eksakto. Okay, so matapos ang inyong inuman, hangover. Ang katambal niya, ang soup ng bulalo. Tikman natin. Ayos, eksakto. So hanggang sa muli mga kapulutan, thank you for watching, at pag nagustuhan nyo ang aking recipe, don't forget to like and share. Until next episode, thank you.